Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin para sa mga Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Love reading to, guys. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Of course, hindi naman natin yon ipipilit. Okay? Inayos ko lang yung camera. Anyway, kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Friend ko yon, guys, ha? Hindi ako yon. Siya kasi nagbibigay ng personal reading. Ako, actually, wait lang. Nalaglag ang aking ring light. Ayan. Meron akong available na reading. Kung gusto mo. Ito, medyo nakakonsentrate ako sa mga nasa ibang bansa. Gusto mo magpa-reading. So, sa ngayon, PayPal yung aking, mode of payment. And this is limited time offer lang. Ayan, hanggat hindi ako busy. 1,500 for astrological reading. Ayan. And yeah, for other products na available doon na lang sa TikTok shop namin, ha. Unipree. Let's start your reading for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Ayan. You do have your spiritual honor and signs. Okay. So, you could be dealing with the person na pwedeng may spiritual connection kayo na to person na to. And, nakikita natin na may, the more na, na tumatagal, pwedeng, alam mo na yung mga sign, alam mo na itong person na to ay may spiritual or soulmate connection sa inyo. So, this is a soulmate reading. You do have your enlightenment. So, maaring, you could be dealing with a twin flame. Pero this time, if this is a twin flame reading, pwedeng, anong tawag dito? Pwedeng, wait lang, parang may nawawala. No, sorry about that. Hindi ko alam, parang may nawawala. I don't know if this is you na pwedeng habang nanonood ka dito sa channel or sa video na ito is may nawalang gamit sa'yo or parang may nawawala sa'yo. Like that kind of feeling kasi yun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. So, parang may nawawala sa'yo. Okay? Nagamit. Anyway. Okay lang kahit wala. By the way, sorry about that. From time to time, umiinom ako kasi kailangan ko ng maraming water. And, anyway. So, maaaring open ka na sa connection mo with this person. And kung ano yung ibibigay sa'yo, sige lang. Kumaga, kung ano yung mangyayari sa connection ninyo, sige lang. Like, you're no longer pushing this connection or yung pagpilit, hindi mo na yan ginagawa. What I see here is that pwedeng naniwala ka na lang or nagtitiwala ka na lang sa divine timing. Yeah, maybe you see this person as soulmate mo, twin flame mo, whatever, but you're letting go. You're letting go of the, of the connection na parang maybe in the past you feel like hindi, para kami sa isa't isa eh. Dapat i-push namin yung connection namin. Dapat may gawin ako sa sitwasyon ko. Dapat yung mga tao sa sitwasyon, sa mga paligid namin na naging problem, dapat tanggalin ito, dapat you know what, maybe in the past, ganun kang klase ng tao eh. Like, you want communication sa person na ito, you want to connect with this person, and then there's a lot of pain, sufferings na nanggagaling sa'yo. Wait lang, may mga insekto. Ayun. And, might be ngayon pwedeng, especially those people or those Virgos dealing with their twin flame, pwedeng naliwanagan ka na ngayon na parang, okay, mahal ko siya, parang ganun. But, kung para sa akin, para sa akin. And, you're no longer fighting. The energy here is you're no longer fighting itong mga signs na ito or itong person na ito. You're no longer fighting the connection. So, tell me more messages here. Wait lang. Talagang lumalabas itong card nito. So, for this next messages for you, challenges, yin and yang. So, you could be dealing with your twin flame, your soulmate. You do have your challenges, and I feel like itong challenges na ito, nakikita mo ito as like dahilan na or kailangan talaga maranasan para kayo ay mag-grow sa isa't isa. Okay? So, kahit may pagkakalayo or walang connection sa inyo, no? Maybe now na-realize mo na kumbaga itong connection nyo parang tubig eh. Kung saan dalhin. May times, katulad niyan, ito na nag-uulan, nag-bagyo, malakas ang agos ng tubig. So, pwedeng may times, malakas ang connection ninyo. And then, may times na kalmado. So, pwedeng walang nangyayari or walang connection at all. Pwedeng, this is a spiritual connection. So, maybe ramdam mo siya but then, hindi masyadong malakas or pwedeng no communication at all, no? And there are times din naman na pwedeng you might feel like parang ini-ignore ka niya, hindi ka niya pinapansin, or vice versa, pwedeng siya din. Nararamdaman niya rin sa iyon. And those are challenges sa connection ninyo. But, itong person na ito currently, may mga nakikita tayong mga symbols na nagpapakita sa kanya pagdating sa connection ninyo. May mga symbols. And I feel like this person is guilty na gusto niyang guilty siya na gusto niyang magkaroon ng or gusto niyang ituloy ang connection na ito. Maybe in the past, pwedeng masyado siyang in denial dito or hanggang ngayon, masyado siyang in denial. To the point na parang tingin mo sa kanya masyado siyang selfish kasi bakit ganun? Bakit parang ako lang yung nahihirapan sa connection namin, kato ganyan. So, anyway, alamin natin bakit hindi niya napapansin or pinapansin itong mga sign, mga symbols na ito. You do have here labyrinth. Well, actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tamang pronunciation nito. Labyrinth or labyrinth. And then you do have here intense. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Cupid. And tested. And also respect. And bond. Let go. So, itong mga messages na ito, pwedeng hindi niya pinapansin yung connection niya because I feel like feeling niya there's no chance. 'Di ba? Like maybe napapansin niya yung symbol or signs pero feeling niya walang chance or hindi pwedeng ituloy. And also some of you pwedeng because the symbol or the signs are so intense para sa person mo. Now, dahil sobrang intense nito, pwedeng nandun yung takot para sa kanya. Yung parang, wait, this is not the kind of love or the connection na parang kaya ko eh. Parang maybe this person na panghinaan siya ng loob na parang feeling niya hindi niya kaya. Or this is too intense, masyadong intense, sobrang hirap or natakot. Yun yung pinaka term dun is natakot yung person mo. And then you do have your Cupid and tested. So, I feel like some of you, kaya hindi niya pinapansin ito is because maybe there's respect here sa kung ano man yung nagiging dahilan ng separation. Okay? So, if yung iba sa inyo, if this is another relationship, nare-respeto niya relationship na yun, especially kung may marriage na involved. Some of you, kung ang dahilan ay dahil sa mga magulang, yeah, maybe your parents, hindi siya gusto, or yung magulang niya, hindi ka gusto, so yung out of respect sa mga taong ito. Kaya, maybe, nandyan yung sign, nandyan yung symbol, nandyan yung feeling, but there's some kind of delay dahil itong person na ito may respeto siya doon sa mga taong iyon. And you do have your bond. So maybe, some of you, mas kinoconsider ng person na ito yung bond or yung friendship sa inyong dalawa. If you are friends, like maybe, for example, ikaw at yung person mo, magkaibigan kayo, and then, maybe masyado siya nag-isip ng ng parang pag itinuloy ko to, pag nakipag-connect ako sa'yo, nakipag-relasyon ako sa'yo, what if in the future, mag-break tayo, sayang yung friendship natin. So, pwedeng ganun, kino-consider niya rin ito. And then, you do have your let go. And, I feel like your person is also not, katulad mo, pwedeng hindi niya pinipilit yung sign or yung symbol or yung connection ninyo because this person is nagle-let go dahil might be iniisip niya na kung para sa akin, parang gano'n. Anyway, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa for the sign of Virgo? You do have your tested bond. Okay, I love this. Boundaries and power. And you do have the universe at the bottom of the deck. Rekindle and rejoice. So in the future, nakakita tayo ng malakas na connection sa inyong dalawa. Like, kahit ano pang future ang dumating, the connection will always be there. Yun yung nakakapagpa-excite sa connection ninyong dalawa eh. And, like, this is a soulmate or twin flame connection. So, of course, kasama yung mga challenges na yon sa connection ninyong dalawa. And, you do have your boundaries. So, I can see that there's this feeling na nagtutuloy-tuloy yung separation in the near future sa inyong dalawa because of boundaries. Which is actually, nakikita mo naman nga na itong separation ninyo ay lesson sa bawat isa. So, if ever that there's boundaries sa inyong dalawa, nagiging problem sa connection ninyo, parang hayaan mo lang, parang ganun. Kailangan mo i-consider na ito ay kasama sa inyong learning. And sorry about that, uminom lang ako. By the way, yung aking iniinom na tubig ay may chia seed yun, kaya Kaya yan, medyo gumagamit ako ng straw. Anyway, with the power, ito ay yung love, emotions, and passion sa inyong dalawa. And there's a lot of love, a lot of emotions in the near future. And, actually, ngayon pa lang, like, kasimula pa lang nitong reading, nagsimula na tayo sa heart, and then, nag-end tayo sa heart. So, it's like, the love, hindi siya nawala. Hindi siya mawawala. Okay? Maybe, sa kanya mo natutunan yung totoong pagmamahal. Totoong pagmamahal na to the point na, willing kang ayusin or gusto mong ayusin ang sarili mo. Para sa kanya and para sa sarili mo na rin. Okay, maybe this person is teaching you how to love yourself. And in the future, I feel like the love is still there, the boundaries is still there, pero yung connection ninyo, pwedeng isa sa inyo, kung hindi, I feel like this is not you, maybe your person, is dumadating pa sa point ng buhay niya na pwedeng kailangan niya munang tapusin yung mga dapat niyang tapusin na lesson sa buhay niya. And yeah, actually, this reading is telling you na the universe here has planned for you. May plano siya, ang universe, and maybe the universe is guiding you sa purpose mo sa buhay. And hindi, kumbaga, pwedeng hindi pa panahon in the near future yun sa inyong dalawa dahil hindi pa ready yung person mo during this time. But the universe is supporting you, supporting your person, supporting your journey together. So, ayun, pwedeng, what is the advice here for Virgo? What is the advice para sa mga Virgo? You do have here, embrace what destiny has in store for you. So, yun nga. Kumbaga, yakapin mo lang kung ano yung ibibigay sa'yo ng universe, yung destiny for you. And, you do have your soul at the bottom of the deck. Your soul is preparing to reconnect, trust in the process. So, that is the advice for you. Magtiwala ka lang sa process ng connection na ito. Okay? Hayaan mo lang yung person mo sa ngayon. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.